cunning, if that is the word. Nketia is a very cunning guy. And guess what he did? And Nketia, the Adam Crawford now, Omoba, so what you say? Omoba we no so no. Omoba iPad meeting no. CS was not there no more. Oh, monenenko. I'm like dokono wo sebio sebin pleduasa. NDC party office. Ubetumi akogina ho ekodi dokono. We say Nketia office. There be. Ubetumi akọ MPP headquarters. Ekodi the chairman in team. That so say who did dokono. There be. Nanso easier constitution amadu tumi o. Ghana for muntie bekasa anya sakrade. Constitution ama easy ni tumi. Utie. Say onya say adwuma we. Ono no office ne de yetumi ton kana dokono. Eni meko eni nam sebe ekotena ho say ye kodi. Na say easy ni ka say mempene mamundi dokono wa ha. Hey, easy ni mpe asem. Ghana for suma hu. Say kra de who didi kra yesi ya maundidi. Let's buy more disaffection for the EC. And in order for Nketia to get one of his main aim done was to let NDC be at loggerheads with the EC. You bet you be as you're into me, Maso. You bet register small bianco register. You can register where you almost you. Eh, when din him, you can try your idea, see any room. I'm not here to lie to you. NDC for this to be a show. You guys are supposed to pay me for those who truly love NDC. I'm not talking about the Mahamarians who have just been given little chops to just fuck around on social media. I'm talking about more NDC. You be trying to through my NDC party. Mona menemo kase we about Nketia. Now, I said that from chronologically. Niyama or yeah, ma mu lose 2020 election and then I make catch them. Ebio, apart from say, or can't say any easy no enchino. And no kodan chenyo. Afei, IPAC meetings. Utie, IPAC meetings are political party be our person ye to so baby a oko. Okwa, e ho ne yama information. Biometry way na aba ne say ni ye no, say ni ye no, say ni ye no. That is where you get the information. Nketia say, I mean to pick up. Don't go to IPAC meeting. So tell me, what information were you going to use to organize your party if you don't go to IPAC meeting? NDC, be careful. Like I said, we need the credible opposition 2025. Because there's a mama here who said, opposition fatamo. And your opposition and Kasami dem fear to me and worry. And your opposition and Kerukeje went to me and call law school and now you training who's a lawyer, Mahama Nketia. Into whose opposition and fatamo papa. Say John Kaya no more. Opposition fata NDC for papa. Obi omuti opposition. Last me try na me hu boy Corin send yanko or obetu sami jemfie friend saying. O kasa na hu fifle. Asafu ejei ya fine. No me say, nenti NDC opposition fata mu say na chinchina mo beba ba mo be na read esabe even though mu opposition no mo ho ya ye just say enim PSC na abehu na o ma ye just say wo mo aye fe hey why you put kwasi interchange ya na mahama or to opposition not the awie University of Ghana Medical Center na or to opposition na mahama awie Terminal 3 airport mahama to opposition not the awie. Oh, free so now you're 70-something% to say 60-something% complete. Utie, as a quarter man pound, affordable housing, or Tiachile, na Mahama, isn't he an incredible man? Don't you think Mahama is an incredible man? Me see opposition and Fatah NDC for na mama yamont now. Now back to the second things about what this guy did after he knew, say, enya adi obenya running mate ni biu. Hwe mokaya after so many IPAC benyinya ye no. Ya dwene say constitution is say 12 to 7 to 12 years bia no. It's either we have a new register or we do changes to the register. The amrane si no. E si edu Nketia na parliament da. Onim sa amrano. Right? But yeah say yambra metro din fufuro no. Oni Sami Jensi ye press conference say mo bi ankochro ni din. Another way of what? Disenfranchising NDC. Mo mama dwene na ho. Me say me yenda me ne classmate yankasa akasa wo. Papa no me je say oye penimu pant me mpese me boni din wa. Ono kwa no say anka on mine, but me say no. Just said e be your chine bisu metumi aba no wa be PPP, PNC, all political parties. Anyone who could political parties so much to abeni na yesi kochiro din. Enti enye MPP for nkwadi ena ne ye kochiro. Utie, enye NDC for nkwadi ena ne ye kochiro. Enti ye den and the general secretary of a party ka say eye kwanya ye di be wi abamunti NDC for mamonko ena ma mu bebre mu lose hope in the democratic process. Other network ni Jimmy ana ababak. Yes, let me switch it quick. Okay? This guy disenfranchised his own people. You guys should not go. Don't go and register. Mamunko register. In effect, what would that do? Yakase say ye the Ghana card no and they be determined say we ye Ghana ni and now we ye Ghana ni. And unto one omutia bruchiro mukuta Ghana card. Your Ghana card is not the same as the people in Ghana who don't get it twisted. Your Ghana card, your Ghana residency for Ankasa Ghana card, wo Osha card no so echire. Any ya what the yes why what the espura ya na ye beba no ye betumi de kululu a register Biafra. So, we end this ni. Ye the sad document we and ye beto aba. Na onipa na odi wani na ka cho say man ko register nko gi document na wo de beto aba ni bi. What does that tell you? Ewi achire no ekọ na ewi ye kra no no mo sa ba ya press conference say eh ya pamucho everybody go and register. Make no na enthusiasm na ewo mu ananka o party for NDC for the be kwa control din no General Mosquito are killing that with just one word. Don't go and vote, ye di be wi abem. Also don't go and register, ye di be wi abem. Am I telling a lie here? I say Nketia didn't host a press conference telling their NDC people not to go and register, and just because Ekufuado di be wi abem. Men America, it happened in Ghana. I'm showing you how you people lost 2020 election. I know na and it was all orchestrated by him. Everything that happened 2020 election was all orchestrated.